There's a quiet reality that few people talk about openly. After turning 60, your body gradually begins to lose muscle mass with each passing day. And this happens even if you still enjoy daily walks or try to stay active. It's not about laziness, it's biology. This creeping weakness isn't just part of getting older, it's a condition called sarcopenia, age muscle loss that starts silently. It doesn't cause pain at first, but it steals your stability. Suddenly, standing up from a chair or walking upstairs becomes harder. And the risk doesn't stop there. Muscle loss directly impacts your balance, blood sugar, immune system, and even brain health. The most dangerous part? Weak muscles increase the risk of falls, the #1 reason older adults end up in the ER. But here's what most people don't know. Muscle loss is not inevitable, it's reversible. You don't need a gym membership, expensive supplements, or exhausting workouts. You just need the right nutrients, found in ordinary, affordable foods you already recognize. In this video, we're going to explore 5 simple foods that support your body's ability to rebuild muscle, increase strength, and feel more energetic again. Whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, these choices are gentle, effective, and science-backed. So, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what would it feel like to move with strength again? Let's find out together, starting now. Greek yogurt, the gentle muscle builder. Let's begin with a food that's easy to find, easy to digest, and incredibly powerful for muscle recovery. Greek yogurt. You might already enjoy it for breakfast or as a snack, but after the age of 60, it becomes so much more than that. Greek yogurt is made by straining regular yogurt to remove excess whey. This makes it thicker, creamier, and much higher in protein. A typical 6-ounce serving offers 15 to 20 grams of protein, which includes both whey and casein, the fast and slow digesting pair. This combo fuels your body quickly while continuing to nourish your muscles for hours, ideal for preserving muscle mass as you age. For older adults who naturally lose 1–2% of muscle per year after 60, this kind of steady protein release helps stop the decline. And there's more. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, friendly bacteria that help balance your gut and reduce inflammation. When your digestion works well, your body becomes far better at absorbing the nutrients it needs, like calcium, magnesium, and amino acids. A healthier gut equals better nutrient absorption, equals stronger muscles and bones. Plus, Greek yogurt contains calcium and vitamin B12, both crucial for nerve function, bone density, and energy production. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who consumed higher protein dairy daily had fewer falls, better balance, and stronger legs. Take Margaret E. 72 from Wisconsin. She started eating plain Greek yogurt every morning, topped with berries and a sprinkle of flaxseed. Within weeks, she felt more energized, noticed fewer digestive issues, and even slept more soundly at night. So how do you get started? Simple. 1/2 to 1 cup per day is perfect. Choose unsweetened, plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Mix in blueberries, chia seeds, or crushed walnuts for extra antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. If you're lactose intolerant, look for lactose-free or plant-based Greek meal yogurts that still offer high protein. Be sure to avoid fruit on the body biographized or those with sweeteners. These can spike blood sugar and contribute to inflammation. Greek yogurt is affordable, gentle, and versatile, perfect for muscle preservation, bone health, and digestion support in later years. It's more than a snack. It's a daily investment in strength, energy, and graceful aging. Skinless chicken breast, lean power for aging muscles. When it comes to preserving strength after 60, lean protein is your best friend, and few sources are as efficient and accessible as skinless chicken breast. It's affordable, widely available, and incredibly effective at giving your body the tools it needs to maintain muscle. A single 3-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast delivers about 25–27 grams of high-quality protein. That's enough to stimulate muscle repair and growth in older adults. But here's the key. Chicken breast contains all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which is critical for triggering muscle protein synthesis. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition show that seniors need 25-30 to 30 g of protein per meal to prevent age muscle loss. Chicken breast makes it easy to meet that target. What makes it even better is that it's naturally low in fat and carbohydrates, which helps manage weight and blood sugar more effectively. And the benefits don't stop at protein. Chicken breast is also a source of vitamin B6, which helps convert food into energy and supports brain health. It also delivers phosphorus, essential for bone integrity, and selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from aging and oxidative stress. Plus, chicken is rich in niacin, a B vitamin that improves blood flow and may help lower LDL cholesterol, a win for both muscle and heart health. But to get the benefits, cupration matters. Remove the skin to eliminate unnecessary saturated fat. Avoid fried, breaded, or processed chicken. These versions add sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats that cancel out the benefits. Instead, try simple methods: grill, bake, steam, or sauté with olive oil and herbs. That preserves the protein and nutrients without harming your heart. You can add it to salads, pair with quinoa or roasted vegetables, or shred it into soups. It's versatile and filling. If you're just starting out, aim for 2-3 servings of skinless chicken breast per week, about 3-4 ounces per serving. And if you have kidney concerns or are on a protein-restricted diet, consult your doctor to determine what's safe for you. For the rest of us, it's one of the cleanest, most efficient ways to rebuild and preserve muscle. It supports strength, energy, bone health, and heart function, all with just a few delicious bites. So don't overlook it. Chicken breast isn't just a lean meat. It's a muscle-preserving powerhouse for every aging body. Eggs. The compact muscle saver, next on our list, is a tiny food with a massive impact. Eggs. Don't let their size fool you. They're one of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods out there. Just one large egg packs over 6 grams of complete protein, including all 9 essential amino acids, exactly what aging muscles crave. But eggs offer something even more special. Leucine, a key amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Leucine triggers mTOR, the cellular pathway responsible for building and repairing muscle tissue, something that naturally slows down with age. This means eating eggs regularly helps reverse the loss of strength that sneaks in after 60, but the benefits go beyond muscle. Eggs are also one of the best food sources of choline, a nutrient critical for nerve communication and muscle control. Without enough choline, your muscles may not receive proper signals, leading to weakness, imbalance, and slower reflexes. Choline also supports brain health, memory, and coordination, 3 things that become more precious with each year. On top of that, eggs are loaded with vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell production and energy metabolism. Low B12 is surprisingly common in seniors and can cause fatigue, dizziness, and even numbness in the legs. And let's not forget vitamin D, found in the yolk. This helps regulate calcium absorption and supports both bone strength and muscle function. For years, many older adults avoided eggs due to cholesterol fears, but research now shows that moderate egg consumption does not raise heart disease risk in healthy individuals. If you're healthy, 1 egg per day is a safe and powerful habit. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, or make a veggie-packed omelet. The options are endless. For those with cholesterol concerns, speak with your doctor. In many cases, it's the saturated fat from processed foods, not eggs, that's the real issue. Also, don't skip the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients live. Throwing away the yolk means losing choline, D, and B vitamins. And the best part? Eggs are easy to chew, easy to digest, and very affordable. Perfect for seniors who need nutrient-dense meals without added stress. So if you're looking for a compact, complete, and convenient way to support your muscles, energy, and brain, eggs are a smart place to start. Fresh tuna, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. When it comes to protecting your muscles, joints, and heart after 60, few foods are as powerful as fresh tuna. This lean, high-protein fish is packed with nutrients that do more than just feed your muscles. They actually fight the inflammation that breaks them down. A single 3-ounce serving of fresh tuna delivers over 20 grams of complete protein, helping to rebuild muscle tissue and prevent age decline. But what really sets tuna apart is its high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These healthy fats are natural anti-inflammatories. They help protect your muscles from breakdown, reduce joint pain, and even improve circulation. In a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed omega-3-rich fish like tuna saw improvements in muscle function and protein sensitivity, even with minimal exercise. That's great news for anyone who can't do intense workouts but still wants to maintain strength and balance. Omega-3s also support heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death in older adults. And for your brain, DHA helps keep memory sharp and may protect against cognitive decline. Fresh tuna is also rich in vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption, supporting strong bones and better muscle contraction. You'll also find vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium, all essential for red blood cell production, nerve function, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. But not all tuna is created equal. For maximum benefits, choose fresh or wild-caught tuna, not canned varieties packed in oil or high sodium. Canned tuna can still be useful in moderation, but always check for added salt, preservatives, or mercury warnings. Mercury is a valid concern. That's why experts recommend limiting fresh tuna to 1-2 servings per week, around 305 ounces per meal. Also, people with gout or uric acid issues should consult their doctor first, as tuna contains purines that can trigger flare-ups. The best way to enjoy tuna? Lightly grill or sear it with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Avoid frying or using sugary sauces. It pairs well with leafy greens, quinoa, or roasted vegetables for a well-rounded, senior-friendly meal. So if you're looking for a food that builds muscle, supports the brain, protects the heart, and reduces inflammation, fresh tuna delivers all in one bite. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle repair. While many people overlook it, cottage cheese is one of the most powerful nighttime foods for seniors trying to maintain or rebuild muscle. It's rich in a special type of protein called casein, which digests slowly, feeding your muscles while you sleep. Unlike fast proteins like whey, casein is slow-releasing, making it perfect for overnight repair and prevention of muscle breakdown. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese delivers around 25 grams of protein, more than enough to kickstart muscle protein synthesis. And that's crucial, especially for adults over 60. Why? Because muscle repair mainly happens at night, and this slows dramatically with age. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed casein before bed had improved muscle mass and strength within weeks. And it's not just about protein. Cottage cheese is a rich source of calcium, essential for bone health, mobility, and fall prevention. It also contains phosphorus, selenium, and vitamin B12, all important for muscle function, nerve health, and fighting cellular aging. Vitamin B12 in particular helps convert food into energy and keeps the nerves in your legs functioning properly. And here's something many seniors love. Cottage cheese is soft, easy to chew, and gentle on digestion. This makes it ideal for people with sensitive stomachs, dental issues, or those recovering from illness or surgery. Want to make it even better? Add flaxseed, sliced banana, or blueberries. This gives extra fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Just be careful with flavored or pre-packaged versions. They often contain added sugars and sodium. Always check the label. Look for low-fat, unsweetened varieties, preferably with minimal ingredients. The ideal time to eat cottage cheese is about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This gives your body time to digest and absorb the slow protein. For most seniors, just 1/2 to 1 cup per night is enough to make a noticeable difference in recovery, energy, and next-day mobility. One real-world example? Robert, 76, from Colorado. He began adding cottage cheese to his evening routine, and within 3 weeks he noticed better sleep, reduced joint stiffness, and more energy in the mornings. When combined with light stretching or walking during the day, cottage cheese becomes a nighttime powerhouse for rebuilding strength. So if you're looking for a no-fuss, affordable, and science-backed way to support your muscles while you rest, cottage cheese is the answer. So, let's recap. What do all 5 of these foods, Greek yogurt, skinless chicken breast, eggs, fresh tuna, and cottage cheese, have in common? They're simple, affordable, and easy to find, yet they each deliver powerful support for muscle, strength, balance, and energy after age 60. If you're like most older adults, you're not looking to become a bodybuilder. You just want to stay independent, move with confidence, and keep doing the things you love. These foods won't just help you walk farther or climb stairs more easily. They'll also support your heart, brain, bones, and metabolism. And you don't need expensive supplements or fancy meal plans. You don't need to give up your favorite flavors. You just need to start with smart swaps. Replace sugary snacks with Greek yogurt and berries. Trade a heavy dinner for grilled tuna and spinach. Enjoy cottage cheese at night instead of chips. These small changes can lead to big improvements: more energy in the morning, less stiffness in your legs, better sleep, and fewer falls. The best part? It's never too late. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, your body still has the ability to rebuild and repair if you give it the right tools. So tell me, which of these 5 foods will you try first? Have you already added any of them to your routine? Leave a comment below. We read every single one, and your experience might just inspire someone else to take the first step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to our channel for more science-based guidance made for you. Hit the bell so you never miss another tip on how to stay healthy, active, and strong right into your golden years. And remember, muscle isn't just about strength. It's about independence. It's about the freedom to keep living life on your terms. We're so glad you joined us today. From all of us at Senior Health Live, we're here to support you, one healthy choice at a time. Until next time, stay strong, stay sharp, and take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.